Hey guys, how to recover deleted emails in Gmail. There are two ways. The first way is to recover emails from trash. And the second way, when someone may have access into your account without your permission and delete emails from trash. You can recover these emails. Let's start. Let's delete any email to trash, conversation moved to bin, and let's find this message. Click More and then click Bin. We are in our bin and we see our deleted message. We can check it and then click Move to and return to Inbox. Action completed. We found our message and we recover it to Inbox. But what to do when messages were deleted from bin? Go to the Google and in Google find Google Support Email. Then click the first page and let's write missing. The first hint is Gmail messages are missing. We can read what to do when your messages are missing. We can find it in archive, in a bin, or in a spam folder. We can check if the email was filtered and if most of our emails are missing. What to do? Let's see. And if emails are missing from our account when someone may have access without our permission, Google can help find our missing emails and secure our account. Let's try. And we see Gmail message recovery tool that recover our emails that might have been deleted due to someone accessing our account without permission. Let's try. Click Continue, and Google can't get messages back because I deleted myself, but in your case, if someone accessing your account without permission, it will help you. Thanks for the watching, good luck and goodbye.